This is the Speedybee Mario 5. It's the X-frame version of Twitch. You're doing a bit of freestyle, floating around, flying pretty quick, and basically just a really awesome bit of kit. And if you watch all the way to the end, you'll see it's also pretty strong, and I absolutely stove it into the ground at about 60 kilometers an hour. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Let's speed this bit up a bit just so we can get through to the crash, because I know that's what you all want to see. Off I go, walk of shame. First time for everything. And just for the record, I'm going to blame the transmitter battery being live. Definitely wasn't me.
Transmitter battery low.